aromatic electrophilic substitution mechanism or rhenium ion mechanism. Here, the attacking species is a positively charged ion or the positive end of dipole or induced dipole. The most common leaving group in electrophilic displacement reaction is a proton, that is H plus. In this mechanism, the electrophile attack in the first step, giving rise to a positively charged intermediate, that is rhenium ion. The leaving group depart in the second step. Now we will discuss about mechanism. The attacking electrophile attack the benzene ring, removes a pair of electron from the aromatic sextet and forms a carbonium ion. In the formation of carbonium ion, that is a carbocation, the carbon atom which is attacked changes its state of hybridization from sp2 to sp3, that is trigonal to tetrahedral. Resonance hybrid of three resonance contributing structures, which can be represented by a single structure showing the delocalization of charge. Delocalization non-aromatic carbocation is termed as rhenium ion or Wieland intermediate or otherwise called sigma complexes. In the case of benzenoid system, they are called cyclohexene dienyl cation in the case of benzenoid system. The carbocation, that is a sigma complex, though stabilizes itself to a certain extent by resonance, it's still highly reactive species and has to stabilize by further reactions. It can lose a hydrogen atom as a H plus so that it gets its aromatic sextet and its associated stabilization energy. The second step is nearly always faster than the first step. So, the first step is rate determining step and reaction is second order. That is, rate must be equal to K2, that is rate constant, into substrate concentration and electrophile concentration. Next subtopic is stability of sigma complex. Though the sigma complex is not benzenoid, which can stabilize it by resonance. This stabilization is, however, lesser than that present in a perfect benzenoid structure, and therefore its stabilization energy is comparatively lower. So, expulsion of a proton is generally very fast as compared to the first step. Isolation of sigma complex or rhenium ion intermediate. The sigma complex is very unstable and thus cannot be isolated. In special cases such as nitration of benzo trifluoride with nitrile fluoride, that is NO2F, and boron trifluoride at low temperature, that is minus 80 degrees Celsius, thus intermediate can also be isolated. Similarly, the ethylation of mesitylene with ethyl fluoride and boron trifluoride at low temperature, we get sigma complex crystalline solid. Its melting point around minus 15 degrees Celsius, and we get the intermediate can also be isolated. As in the mechanism of a sigma complex, the carbon hydrogen bond is not broken in the rate determining step, that is the first step. No isotopic effect is observed on replacing hydrogen by deuterium. In most of the cases, especially in the nitration and bromination of aromatic compounds, no such isotopic effect have been observed. The breaking of carbon deuterium or carbon tritium bond is more difficult than the breaking of the carbon hydrogen bond. If the second step in the mechanism is a rate controlling the electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic compound labeled with deuterium and tritium should be slower than those of unlabeled compound. That is, experimentally it is found out that both benzene and deuterium substituted benzene have a same speed in the second step. Hence, we do not consider the second step in both the cases as a rate determining step. Thus, in step 1 is a rate determining step, no significant isotopic effect is observed. Thus, the first step in the mechanism must be slower rate determining step. So, this is the potential energy diagram for rhenium ion mechanism. From the diagram, it is found that the rhenium ion is a true intermediate. It's found energy of activation for 1 is greater than energy of activation 2. What is EAA1? That is activation energy for the formation of reactant to intermediate, that is EA1, and activation energy for the conversion of intermediate to the product is called EA2. This is some examples of electrophile. So, first one is a neutral electrophile or Lewis acid, boron trifluoride, aluminum chloride, sulfur trioxide, carbon dioxide, ferric chloride, zinc chloride, ferric bromide, and aluminum bromide. And positive charge ion, that is NO2 plus, Cl plus, alkyl, that is CH3 plus, ethyl plus, like that, and acyl cation, CH3CO plus, bromonium ion, H plus, and hydronium ion. So, this is the classification of substituent in electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. In amino group, alkyl amine, dialkyl amine, and hydroxyl group is a very strong activating group. Its effect on orientation is ortho and para directing. And acyl amine, that is NHCOR, alkoxy group OR, acyloxy OCOR is a strongly activating group. It is also ortho and para directing. Then alkyl aryl group and alkenyl group is a activating effect. It is also ortho and para directing. So, hydrogen is the standard of comparison. Then halogen, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and chloromethyl is a deactivating group. It is also ortho and para directing. Then formyl, acyl COR, carboxylic acid, esters, acyl chloride, that is COCl, cyano group, and sulfonic acid. These are the strongly deactivating group. It is a meta directing. And finally, trifluoromethyl, that is CF3, and nitro group is the very strongly deactivating. It is also meta directing orientation. So, these are some informations about aromatic electrolytic substitution reaction. Thank you, friends.